presumption of innocence, would you
Your
not?
Honor, I would make an objection. We're not at the point to determine guilt or innocence.
Felony theft by deception.
Those are some questions that would probably have to be posed to counsel. I think there's a propensity for flight with this type of crime. With this magnitude of outrage in the community, those are some of my other concerns, in addition to the safety concerns of the defendant and the safety concerns of the innocent people in this county.
The person poses no significant risk of committing any felony pending trial. And as the court knows, the thing that we all deal with, sometimes with clients, and Mr. Franklin with defendants, and the court with people before it, is the offender that goes out and reoffends. If, in fact, Mr. Marsh is found legally responsible for what happened up there, there is a zero risk. And there's not many cases you could say that in, but there's a zero risk of reoffense in this manner. And because of his background with absolutely no record, other than perhaps a driving without insurance on one occasion, he poses no threat. He really poses no significant threat, but he poses no threat at all. Charges, he's a flight risk. Now, Your Honor, there is an old...
This man being free in the community would not only pose a significant danger and threat to himself, but to other innocent people due to the threat and due to the nature of this case. And this case is unusual. But the unusual nature of this case would lead one to reasonably infer that this defendant has every reason in the world to flee if he's given the opportunity. We cannot ignore that.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this case under advice. I don't want to be too hasty, or I didn't have any preconceived notions about this before I came here, and even though I've heard a lot about it. So I'm going to take it under advisement, and I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to read some more and about what you talked about, and then I will rule on it. I'll do a decision, give you a decision. Should be able to do that within just the next few days.
You okay, Brent? You okay?